how to detect negative energies in house, in your home, or maybe anyone's house. In this video, I will be sharing some of the energetic wisdom and the insights that you may not be aware of. So, it may be related to anyone's house, or it could be your own home. So these are the points that I'm mentioning because I clean, I purify and transform the energy of homes through the energy vortex creation at your home. So if you want to work with me either online or offline for creating positive energy vortex at your home, then you can contact my team and they will guide you further for how you can take my powerful energy transmission to convert and purify the energy of your home. It will be like a project where you will work with me. I will guide you to take the actions, and when the time comes, I will do the needful powerful energy transmission, and you will be living in a divine space, in a beautiful space. So it could be your office space, it could be your home space, or it could be anywhere where you spend time. Alright, so I'll move to the solutions of how to remove negative energies from your house or home in the next segment. The first step towards removing negative energies in your house is to clean the house. How to clean the house? It involves 3 steps. You need to remove all the trash, all the garbage, all the stuff that you don't need and throw it. Here also you need to know that you are living in a space which is congested and which is full of matter, and matter are stale, old, carrying old energies. So you need to get rid of those stuff that are temporarily not required by you. So throw them in the trash and be free. The second thing is donate. You don't need everything that you are carrying with you. You need to understand this. Your mind is stuck, and that is why you are stuck, and you are keeping all the matter in the energy of possessing. These possessions are not done by you. These possessions are made by the lower energies, negative energies, demonic energies, ghostly energies that stay in you and your house. So once you donate these things, you will be free from these traumatic energetic blockages. You hold on to your past and you hold on to your things, and the things are carrying the trauma of that event or the problems that you had faced in the past. Once you get free from all these things, you can donate it to people who need it, or just throw it away, but you get free from it. So this is the second thing that you can do immediately. And the third thing is to sell. Whatever you feel is a sellable item, a sellable stuff, get rid of it. Once you do these 3 steps, you will understand that your life energy was stuck in these matters and you were stuck. Once you get free from this, you are creating space for your soul, for your life, for your consciousness. You need to know this, your life energy. You need life in your home. not matter. So fill your life with life energy, and that is in open space, spaciousness. Use things, keep things only what is required for you. So once you get rid of these things, these 3 steps you do, the 4th step is to light a lamp, light a Indian lamp or a candle in one corner of your room and focus on it. Put some flowers in it and see how you feel when you do it. I have created many videos on raising energy, raising your chakras, where I have shown practically how to raise your spiritual energy level through lighting a lamp. You can watch those videos, and at the same time, the next step is to plant green plants in your home, not artificial plants like this. And let me tell you, this is not my home. This is one of my clients' home where I have come to purify the place, to work on that person. So you don't need this kind of plastic plants. This drain away energy, it takes away your energy. So I will be transforming most of the things in this home and purify this place further, so that all the lower energies or negative energies that are stuck in this house will be free, and whoever resides here will experience those positive energies. For example, there are many things in this house that is not energy giving. It is aesthetically brilliant thing. You feel, but you cannot stay here for longer term. You cannot stay here for, there is ample scope of improvement. All the needs, all the facilities are in the form of matter, but there is not a single life element in this home. The paintings are there, everything is there, infrastructure is there. Let me tell you very frankly, infrastructure is there, but life element is missing here. So try to understand that life energy comes from you. It comes from green plants, indoor plants, which generate oxygen for you, which takes away the negativity. Light a lamp, it is fire element. Again, when you plant a tree, it will have earth element. And when you create space, there is space element in your room. Keep the doors and windows open as much as you can. Take in fresh air. This will remove negative energies from your home. The way chimney is created to remove smoke, likewise, all the time, the incoming and outgoing of fresh prana from the atmosphere is required. It contains fresh oxygen. When you are stuck in a room, you are stuck by the negative energy of your existence. You yourself are releasing lot of carbon dioxide and negative energies and apana. These all remain stuck in the room, and you actually smell those lower energies. You take in lower energies. So once you do these things, and also put always some water in the jar or in a bottle or anything which you can drink often in the room. Always you should have availability of water in the room from where you can drink. You can put it in the glass also. That also will be sufficient, or in a bowl. This water will keep on purifying the atmosphere of the room, and start doing it and see the results for yourself. Having said all, I need to tell you that sometimes you are residing in a house that has dead energies, and that is not in your power to remove that. And for that, I am required, because I remove all the demonic energies from the house through my powers, and for that my presence is required. Wherever you are in the world, if you feel that some of your properties, it may be a hotel or anything, is filled with negative energies where your business is not going on, it could be an Airbnb home or anything, hotel or space or office space or business space, anything, I can make that place a vibrant one filled with divine energies, and thereafter wealth, abundance, and everything, prosperity will flow in your life. This I do with my clients. This I do with my students who join the projects. They work with me to transform their life, and after that the flow starts. If someone is not getting a job, then that person never gets a job. That person becomes a freelancer. That person is creating a business. Someone could be an entrepreneur, but the energy is stuck. The job mentality is gone totally, because the jail is being purified. So no more, after getting freedom in the home where they reside, they don't feel like working for anyone. Some of them become interior decorators and many more things. But yes, my blessings are required. My power is required to transform all these things. Without me, it is not possible. Alright? So if you want to transform your life, if you want to grow, if you want to attract abundance in your life, work with me for energy vortex at home and remove all the negative energies from your space. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.